Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Telegram application on your PC. Keep watching the video till the end in order to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Start off by opening up a web browser. In the address bar at the top, type in telegram.org and search. You'll be taken to the home page of Telegram, which looks like this. In order to download the Telegram application for your PC, go ahead and choose the Telegram for PC/Linux option from the display. Once you click on that, you'll be taken to the next page. Click on this Get Telegram for Windows option, and your Telegram application will be downloaded at the top right. You can see it right here. Once the file has been downloaded, you'll be able to see this Open File link. Click it on in order to open the file. Now, the installation process will begin shortly soon after you click on that file. Now, go ahead and set up your language for your Telegram application. I'm going to select this English language. Now click on OK after you're done. Select the destination location where you'd like the application to be saved on. After you're done, click Next. Click on Next one more time. If you'd like to create a desktop shortcut for Telegram, then make sure this box is checked, but if you don't want to do that, uncheck this box and click Next. Since I want a desktop shortcut for Telegram, let me check this box right here and click Next. Now finally click on the Install button and wait until the application gets installed on your PC. Now as you can see that your setup for Telegram desktop has been completed, click on Finish, and there you have downloaded Telegram application on your PC. Simply click open the application and log into your account in order to start using it on your PC. That is how you can easily download Telegram application on your PC. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.